Welcome to Meditation World. This is your sacred space for healing, peace, and deep restoration. Right now, you don't need to carry anything. You don't need to be strong. You don't need to fix yourself. You are allowed to soften. You are allowed to receive. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Allow your hands to rest gently. And when you feel ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and gently release it. Again, inhale calm. Exhale everything heavy. You've been holding so much. Emotions, thoughts, memories. For this moment, you are safe to let it go. Let your forehead soften. Let your eyes rest behind your eyelids. Unclench your jaw. Allow your shoulders to drop. With every breath, your body feels a little lighter. Your heart feels a little softer. Notice your breathing, natural, gentle, in and out. Imagine a warm, sacred light beginning to glow in the center of your chest. This light carries compassion. It carries peace. It carries healing. With every inhale, this light grows brighter. With every exhale, it spreads gently through your body. Feel it move into your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Healing is flowing. Feel it move into your belly, your hips, your legs, your feet. You are being held in healing. You don't need to understand how. Your body knows. If thoughts appear, that's okay. Gently return to the light in your heart. Let it wash over every place that feels tired, every place that feels heavy, every place that feels forgotten. Healing happens when you allow. Imagine this sacred light gently clearing old energy, old pain, old emotional patterns. They dissolve softly, like mist in warm sunlight. You are releasing what no longer serves you. You are making space for peace. Feel the warmth in your chest. Feel the calm in your breath. You are supported. Now imagine this sacred light rising up through your neck, your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead. Your mind becomes quieter. Your thoughts slow. You are safe inside yourself. Let the light flow down your spine, into your lower back, your hips, your legs. Your body feels grounded. Your energy feels balanced. Your spirit feels lighter. If emotions rise, allow them. There is no need to hold them in. Tears are welcome. Softness is welcome. You are not broken. You are becoming whole. Take a slow breath in and out. With every breath, your nervous system begins to relax. Your muscles soften. Your heartbeat slows. You are returning to harmony. Imagine every cell in your body glowing softly with healing light. Each cell remembers balance. Each cell remembers peace. Each cell remembers how to restore itself. You don't need to rush this moment. Stay here. Let the healing energy continue its gentle work. You are wrapped in compassion. You are wrapped in safety. You are wrapped in peace. Nothing is required of you. Just receive. If your mind wanders, bring it back to your heart, back to your breath, back to this sacred stillness. Let go of expectations. Let go of timelines. Healing unfolds in its own perfect way. You are exactly where you need to be. Allow gratitude to rise gently in your chest, not for anything specific, just for this quiet moment, just for being here. You are worthy of healing. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of rest. Take a few slow breaths in and out. Feel your body. Feel your heart. Feel your energy settling. Any remaining tension gently melts away. Any remaining heaviness dissolves. You are lighter now, calmer, clearer. Your body feels supported.